Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware and software compatibility so calibration matters. First, enable HDR in Windows display settings. You need display port 1, 4 or HDMI 2, 0 plus and current GPU drivers. Next, connect the display at native resolution and refresh rate. This prevents tone mapping shifts. Once done, disable any in-monitor processing or dynamic contrast to get a neutral baseline. Make sure Windows Nightlight and any color profiles are off so measurements reflect true HDR out. Now you perform the detailed calibration sequence to align luminance, white point, and color. Open the Windows Hdr Calibration app or a professional tool that supports HDR metadata. Use a probe if you have one, or rely on the tool's step patterns. Adjust display brightness and tone mapping sliders in measured passes, then tweak color temperature toward D65 for accurate white. Once a pass stabilizes, record results and iterate. Small changes can shift HDR clipping and shadow detail, so be methodical. Finish by saving the ICC/ICM profile and applying it in Windows Color Management so apps use the corrected output. Test with a range of HDR10 video and game scenes to verify highlights, midtones, and shadow detail look natural. If you see banding, crushed blacks, or blown highlights, first recheck the physical connection and driver versions, then disable overlays, GPU scaling, and any OS color enhancements. If issues persist, rerun calibration with smaller adjustment steps and verify the probe calibration.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.